What if I told you Mars, our neighboring planet, might be the next address for humanity? Imagine a reality where Earth isn't the only planet with human footprints. This is the concept of Mars colonization, a daring venture that aims to establish sustainable human settlements on the red planet. Why Mars, you ask? It's all about survival. With Earth facing a myriad of environmental threats, we're looking to Mars as our potential lifeboat. But it's not just about survival. Mars colonization offers us the chance to expand our knowledge of the universe, and who knows, maybe even stumble upon extraterrestrial life. However, this venture doesn't come without its share of challenges. Mars is a hostile environment with extreme temperatures, radiation, and a lack of breathable air. Overcoming these obstacles will require unprecedented technological advancements and human ingenuity. So, how did we get to this point of considering Mars as our next home? Our fascination with Mars isn't new. It's a journey that has been decades in the making. The first significant leap towards understanding our red neighbor was in 1965 with the Mariner 4. This spacecraft gave us the first close-up pictures of the Martian surface, igniting a spark of curiosity that has continued to burn brightly to this day. As our technology evolved, so did our ambition. In the late 90s, we introduced a new kind of explorer, Mars rovers. These robotic geologists, equipped with cameras, scientific instruments, and the spirit of discovery, began to traverse the Martian landscape. Pathfinder, Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, each rover has its own story to tell. Each has uncovered a piece of the Martian puzzle. But it's the most recent rover, Perseverance, that has truly captured our imaginations. Launched in the summer of 2020, Perseverance's mission is not just to explore, but to prepare the way for human life. It's searching for signs of ancient life, testing oxygen production, and collecting samples of rock and soil that could one day be returned to Earth. Yet these rovers are just the first step. They're the scouts, the pathfinders, paving the way for human footprints on Martian soil. The next phase of Martian exploration will involve sending human crews, not just to visit, but to stay. Companies like SpaceX have ambitious plans for Mars colonization, aiming to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars within this century. The journey to Mars is a testament to our innate desire to explore, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and our capabilities. It's a journey that's been marked by innovation, perseverance, and a little bit of Martian dust. But let's not kid ourselves. The challenges ahead are immense. Surviving on Mars will require us to solve problems we've never faced before, to innovate in ways we can't yet imagine. It will be hard, it will be risky, and it will be worth it. But exploring Mars and settling on Mars are two very different challenges. So, what does it take to turn a red, dusty, and seemingly inhospitable planet into a human habitat? Well, the first step towards colonization is getting us Earthlings there. This involves designing and building spacecraft that can safely carry astronauts through the approximately 34 million miles of space separating Earth from Mars. It's a journey that, with current technology, could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months. Once humans arrive on Mars, the real work begins. The second step involves creating a sustainable habitat. Mars's harsh environment, with its thin atmosphere and sub-freezing temperatures, means that any human habitat has to be designed to protect its inhabitants from these extreme conditions. This could involve building habitats underground or using local resources, such as Martian soil, to construct radiation shielding structures above ground. The third step is all about life support systems. We'll need to generate our own oxygen, recycle waste, and grow food to sustain a human population. This is where advancements in technology such as hydroponics and aeroponics will come in handy, allowing us to grow plants without soil and with significantly less water than traditional farming methods. But creating a sustainable habitat isn't the end goal. The fourth step is the long-term goal of terraforming Mars. Terraforming, or making Mars more Earth-like, would involve a drastic transformation of the planet. This could mean thickening the atmosphere, warming the planet, and even introducing microorganisms to create a breathable environment. This may sound like a daunting task, and it is. But keep in mind that this won't happen overnight. It's a process that could take hundreds, if not thousands, of years. But why go through all this trouble? Why put in all this effort to turn a desert-like planet into a second home for humanity? The answer is simple. It's about survival. It's about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. It's about exploration, discovery, and the unyielding human spirit to push boundaries and explore the unknown. The process may be complex, but the rewards could be astronomical. Imagine a future where Earthlings become Martians. What would life be like on Mars? Living on Mars will certainly be a test of our adaptability. With just over a third of Earth's gravity, we'll need to learn to move in a world where every step could become a leap. Yet, the challenges of a new gravity are but a small part of the Martian experience. Imagine the potential for scientific discovery. We'll be living on a planet that's been a subject of fascination for centuries, a place where every rock could tell a story of a time when Mars might have been teeming with life. And then there's the society we'll build. It won't just be about survival, it will be about creating a new civilization, with its own culture, its own rules, and its own way of life. Mars will be more than just a new home. It will be a fresh start, a new chapter in human history. It's a future that's both exciting and daunting. Mars colonization is not just a dream, it's a goal that we're actively working towards. We've journeyed through the paradox of the red planet, a world once strikingly similar to our own, now a barren desert yet brimming with potential. We've traced the arc of history, from the first Mars explorations to the technological advancements that have brought us closer to setting foot on Martian soil. The steps to colonization are complex, yet achievable. They involve overcoming immense challenges, from ensuring human survival in harsh conditions to building sustainable habitats and ultimately creating a self-sufficient society. And what of life on Mars? It won't be an easy existence, but it will be one of discovery, of innovation, and of unyielding human spirit. It's a future that's not just conceivable, but within our grasp. As we gaze at the red planet in the night sky, we may be looking at our future home,